Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my mesh granny square. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the slip stitch, and the single crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, we're going to be making a circle that's going to turn into a square. I'm going to list my playlist on how to make a circle. I have a bunch of different tutorials and I will have that listed down below. I am going to be using the chain 4 method and I can have that specifically listed down below as well. To start row 1, I have made 4 chains. Then I'm going to make a single crochet into the 4th chain, or the chain farthest away from my hook. Now, if you were making a circle in a different way and you want to start with that, you're going to make this single crochet into that circle that you made. You're now going to make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. These 3 chains are going to be our corner space. The single crochets are going to be our sides. So we're going to make a single crochet into our circle space for our next side. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3 for our next corner. Single crochet into that center space for another side. 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Single crochet into that center space for our last side, or our 4th side. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3 for our last corner. And then you're going to slip stitch into the chains that you made at the beginning of this row to complete row 1. So I tend to fasten off on each of my rows and I end that color and I bring in a new color to start my next row. The reason being, I would do this if I was even continuing with the same color because I don't like seams in my squares. So I fastened off my last row, I brought in my new color. You're going to attach your new color to any previous chain 3 or corner space. You're going to make 4 chains. You're also going to flip your square each row. And what I mean by that is we were looking at the front of my square for row 1. Row 2, we are looking at the back of my square. This is going to keep your rows straight while making your square and as it gets bigger. So once you make your 4 chains, you're going to make 1 single crochet into this chain space that we're working into. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Skip this single crochet or this previous side. You're going to be working into this next corner space. Make a single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet into that same corner space. So this single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet are going to be our new corner spaces. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. These 3 chains are used to skip over to this next corner space. So into that corner space, same thing, single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet all together into that corner space. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Skip to the next or the last corner space. Make a single crochet, chain 3, single crochet all into that corner space. Then we're going to make 3 chains to skip over this next single crochet. We've made it back to the beginning of our row. Skipping this single crochet, you're going to slip stitch into these chains we made at the beginning of our row to complete row 2. So to begin row 3, I have flipped my square over. We are now looking at the front of my square. You are going to do that every single row and it is going to keep your square straight when making new rows. I fastened off my last color, I brought in my new color, and you're going to attach your new color to any previous corner space and make 4 chains. You're going to make 1 single crochet into this same corner space where we made our chains. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. We're using these 3 chains to skip over any previous single crochet on our side. We're skipping this one. Into this previous chain 3, you're going to make a single crochet. Now you're going to make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. and you're going to skip over this next single crochet. We've reached our next corner. Our corners are staying the same, so we're going to work a single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet all into this corner. So you can see as we make our square bigger, we're going to have more spaces on our sides to work into. So we're going to use our chain 3 to skip over the next single crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Into this next space on our side, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, to skip over this next single crochet. Into this corner space, single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet all together. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3 for our next side. Skip this next single crochet. Into this previous chain 3 space on our side, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3 to skip this next single crochet. Into this corner space, single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet all together in that space. We've reached our next side. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Skip this next single crochet. Into this next previous chain 3 space, make a single crochet. Then make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. We're skipping over this single crochet right here. We've made it back to the beginning of our row, so you're simply going to slip stitch into the chains that we made at the beginning of our row to complete this row. You would now repeat row 3 for how big you want your square. So like I said, our corners of our square are going to stay the same for each row. Single crochet, chain 3, single crochet into that corner space. Chain 3 on any side to skip a single crochet. Then 1 single crochet into each open space for your side going forward. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.